coaches and teachers. I am Shivam Singh Patel of class 8th from Army Public School. Today I am going to present my working model of calendar. While making this model, I have taken care that nothing like plastics have been used as it harm our environment. I have used cardboard, glue, white colored chart papers and natural color. It not only shows day, date, month and year but also weeks which ordinary calendars does not have, and it's a kind of an advantage. It contains a small notepad used to record important dates. It is lightweighted, very easy to make and portable. This area shows us the date, day and week, months and year. We can rotate these discs according to our wish to set the date. Now, time for an example. We can set the date we want it to show here. So I am going to set the date here like this by rotating this disc January 2024, and this is how we can set our date to this calendar, and it is the notepad used to write things. I hope you like my presentation and model. Thank you, and I will also expand my gratitude and thanks towards my teacher who have given me this opportunity. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and click on the bell icon.